How to install Android apps on Windows. Open BlueStacks download page. Page link in video description. Click on Download BlueStacks. Open the BlueStacks installer. Click Yes. Select Install Now. Grant access to Hyper-V. Open BlueStacks. Open Google Play inside of BlueStacks. Click Sign In. Sign into your Google account. Select Skip after you sign in. Agree to the Google Terms of Service. Click More on the next page, then click Accept. Open Google Play inside of BlueStacks. Search for the app you want to install. BlueStacks is designed for games, but it can install regular apps as well. Thanks for watching video.